guys, hopefully you can hear us. Welcome back. This morning we are back in the skyline and it is a big day. It is roughly 6 in the morning. Lovely morning, and we are heading down to RB Motorsport to get this car mapped. So just fueled up there, it was a sore one, always is in this car, and we will head down. It's about a 3-hour drive, not the ideal car for the motorway, but we'll be fine. 3 hours, and once we're down there I'll maybe show you around and let you know what the plans are. But first, just stopped at Southwaite Services, guys. Just get a stretch of the legs and get out of that car. As much as I love it, it is so loud. I've got no radio either. It's just that RB tone constantly, but yeah, not complaining. It's been good. Update again when we get to RB Motorsport, but so far the journey's been fine. For those that probably haven't been following, obviously this is getting mapped to go to street weekend. This will be the second episode of this. We'll have an update on the Skyline and the Anglia, which will hopefully follow on from here. Made it here absolutely fine, guys. I don't want to show too much, obviously, with customers' cars about, but just getting the plan together, what's going on with this, and yeah, next time I see it, should have a wee bit more power. Looking forward to it. What a place. Don't know how good or bad I was able to edit myself changing location here, guys, but second part of the video, back at the Anglia now. As promised before, the engine is now back together. Unfortunately, with us being at 2 different locations, I wouldn't be able to film that, but the new built gearbox is sitting just about in at the moment. Engine back in, engine bay painted, looking good under here. Guys, don't think we're too far away here. Unbelievably, might be able to get it in just a couple of episodes, and we've got both the Skyline and this ready to go. So guys, keep watching. I think one more episode will do it. My car hopefully should be tuned up. I've obviously had some updates already from RB Motorsport. Don't think it's far away at all. This in front of us, Anglia, should be ready as well, and incredibly, thought this might have been a 10-parter. We might get it done in 2, guys, but hope you're enjoying, and street weekend is just around the corner. Can't wait.